Hi guys, this is Mohan here. Today my video is about how to use a power bank. So guys, if you just have bought a new power bank and you don't know how to use it, just letting you know, every power bank comes with a power bank itself and a charging cable to charge the power banks. So if you want to charge the power bank, simply connect charging cable to power bank. The charging to its small USB port will go to small USB port, and other end of the charging cable will go to your power supply. And you will see that lights, this indicator shows that your power bank is being charged. And now guys, if you want to charge your phone through this power bank, it's very easy. You have to use data charging mobile phone charging cable. You have to connect one end of the charging cable to your phone, and other charge side of the charging cable will go to your power bank, to USB A port. And see guys, it's charging. Thanks guys, it's very easy to use a power bank. Thanks guys, if you have liked my video, please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching my video.